You read the title. I previously made a video on the best way to improve at pen spinning, which just so happens to be one of the most fun ways to improve. I am of course talking about tack-ons. Yeah, maybe you've heard them 1,000 times before, but are you actually playing them? If not, I might understand why. First of all, if you don't know what a tack-on is, it's basically a pen spinning game where one spinner adds a trick and another adds another trick, creating a combo. The spinner who cannot add another trick loses. And yes, you have to record a video of you doing the combo with good execution or else it doesn't count. This might be why so many people don't want to play tack-ons. They don't want to record for others or might feel embarrassed about how bad they are. And to that, I totally understand actually. When I played my first tack-on, I was awful and was reluctant to even playing in the first place. But when I did, I saw the fastest improvement I've ever seen. And in 1 month, I was a completely different spinner. If I had never played that first tack-on in the pen stock Discord server with Artcrafter, Glitch, and Cygnus, I probably would have never gotten to where I am today, which is saying a lot. If you've never even played a tack-on, just try it and you might be amazed. At first, it's very humbling to see how bad you actually are. Then it quickly turns into the complete reverse, then you feel like a fully accomplished pen spinner. What's the best way to play a tack-on? If you're completely new to pen spinning and don't even know the 4 fundamentals tricks yet, then I suggest you watch one of my other videos. Any video titled something like How to Learn Pen Spinning will teach you everything you need to know about those tricks. But now that you do know at least a handful of tricks and don't feel confident in your abilities to link tricks yet, don't worry. I specifically made a place where you can play people at around your level. This of course is in the Spindy's Discord server. And yes, if you didn't know already, Discord is the center of pen spinning, at least for now. And the Spindy's Discord server is one of the main servers for pen spinning. Here you can create a new post in the Battles and Tack-Ons channel here and title it whatever you want, and attach a single trick. You can then put what level you want the tack-on to be. If you select level 1, you will get mostly complete beginners who just about know the fundamentals, but not much other than that. If you select level 2, you'll get some spinners who know a decent handful of tricks, but aren't really considered good. At level 3, you will get the average spinner who knows some linkages and can make some okay combos. At level 4, you will get pretty good spinners that know what they're doing, and at level 5, you will be competing with the best in the server. You can also make an unrated post which could get complete noobs or the best of the best. These levels come from the Spindy's Challenges rankings, which is a list of challenges you can do to level up as a pen spinner. This is probably the best way to see what your skill level is today. Again, you don't have to make a post if there are already tack-ons going around at your level. Just open one and ask if you can join, and 9 times out of 10, you can just send a video of you adding a trick, and people there will be more than happy. Again, the Spindy's Discord server will be in the description if you want to join. Thanks for watching, see you next time.